Hello and welcome to the SRS Trade Cloner setup video. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through the setup, which should be quick and easy. The first step is to perform a one-time configuration of MetaTrader so it can easily work with expert advisors. I'll go to the Tools menu, then Options, then click the Expert Advisors tab. Tick the Enable Expert Advisors box. Tick the Allow Live Trading box. Make sure the box Ask Manual Confirmation is empty. Tick the Allow DLL Imports and Allow External Experts Imports. Then click OK. Next step is to use the installation wizard. First, you must close MetaTrader. So I'll click the X button here, close MetaTrader. Then go to the Trade Cloner's download page and download the product itself if you haven't done so already. I've already downloaded the SRS Trade Cloner. It's here on my desktop. Now I'll just double click it. And inside you have the SRS Trade Cloner install, which is the setup wizard. You also have here a directory for those who for some reason cannot use the wizard. So you have the files separate, and you also have the user guide, which is very recommended. I'll double click the SRS Trade Cloner install to launch the wizard, and here it is. Click Next. Now in this window you need to choose the folder in which you install MetaTrader on your computer. You can use the Browse button to search for the folder. After you found the folder, just click on Next and then Install. When the wizard finishes, just click the Finish button and you can open MetaTrader. Now open a new chart. You can use any currency pair, it doesn't matter. I'll open a chart of the euro-dollar and any time frame is okay. No matter what chart and time frame you use, you will get the trades on all currency pairs that our trader executes. Now in the Navigator button, under the Expert Advisors list, you can find the SRS Trade Cloner. Double click it. Make sure you have these boxes ticked. Then click the Inputs tab. Here you have to set three things: the username, the Forex symbol suffix, which I'll explain in a minute, and the lot size multiplier. Let's start with the username. The username is the order number you got from ClickBank when you purchased the product. This order number usually contains several capital letters and numbers, and you can find it in the email that you got from ClickBank right after your purchase. So I'll just input here my username. Now let's go over to the Forex symbol suffix. Some brokers have an ending after the currency pair name. For example, in the broker ThinkForex, you have a small t at the end of the currency pair name. This is the Forex symbol suffix. If you see one of those on the top left hand side of the chart, you need to input this letter here in the Forex symbol suffix input. So I'll input here a small t. Your broker may have a different letter, and that's all. The third thing I need to take care of is the lot size multiplier. By default, each trade that we open risks $100. Even if you see two entries for that trade, it's still $100 for the entire trade. So if you'd like to risk $100 per trade, just leave it on the default, which is lot size multiplier 1. If you want to use a higher or lower risk, just input the percentage here. For example, if you want to use half the risk, which is $50, just input here 0.5. For a more detailed explanation, please see the user guide. You'll also find here many more advanced settings, which you can just leave on their defaults, or please look up the user guide for exact detailed explanations. As I'm finished here, I'll just click the OK button. Now, as you can see, I'm getting here an error message. Please check password and use on one chart only. These are two things you must remember. The first one is that you should place this robot on a single chart only. If you try to place it on two charts or more, it will not work, and it's not necessary at all. So just make sure you have it on one chart only on your MetaTrader. Also, the password I entered may be wrong here in the username. So I'll check the password, correct it, and then when finished, I'll just click the OK button. There we have it, connected to SRS Trade Cloner, and we get a last heartbeat message with a timestamp on it. This means we are connected and waiting for the next trade. Whenever the trader opens a trade, it will be copied to my account. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any further questions, our support team will gladly assist. Please also consult with the detailed user guide. Have a great day.